Welcome back, learners. In this video, we will continue and complete exercise 14.2. So, we have a note, problems which are based on law number 5. Law number 5 is a raised to m divided by b raised to m, that is equals to a divided by b the whole raised to m. Here you can see the difference. The bases are different, but the powers are same. Starting question number 9, expand 7 by 2 the whole raised to 3. So using your law number 5, the expression is given in the form of right hand side. We need to convert them into left hand side. So the powers will get distributed as 7 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 3, or you can write it as 7 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 3. Part number 2, minus 3 divided by 5 the whole raised to 4. We can write it as minus 3 raised to 4 upon 5 raised to 4, or minus 3 raised to 4 divided by 5 raised to 4. Try to solve part number 3 and 4. Question number 10, it is based on the same law where the bases will be different, powers will be same, and the numbers will be divided. Write the following using exponential form. So 15 raised to 2 divided by 5 raised to 2. The bases are different, but powers are same, and the numbers are to be divided. I can write it as 15 upon 5 raised to 2. Now you see 15 and 5 can be simplified or they can be cancelled. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. I got 3 upon 1, or simply 3 raised to 2. Try to solve part number 2. It is same as part number 1. The solution for part number 2 will be it by 2 the whole raised to 3. 8 will be cancelled by 2 4 times. So your answer will be 4 raised to 3. Part number 3 is x raised to 3 divided by y raised to 3. I can write it as x raised to 3 upon y raised to 3. You are law number 5. I can write the powers are same. I can write it as x upon y the whole raised to 3. P raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 2. I get it as p raised to 2 upon 2 raised to 2. Numbers are same. Numbers are to be divided. So I can write it simply as p upon 2 the whole raised to 2. Problems on law number 6. That is a raised to 0 is equals 1. Any number whose power is 0, the value of that number will be 1. Expand minus 4 upon 3 raised to 0 the whole raised to 2. Applying our law in the inner bracket, any number raised to 0 will be equals to 1. So instead of minus 4 by 3 the raised to 0, I can write 1. 1 raised to 2, any number of 1 will give you 1 only. So 1 will be your answer. Part number 2, minus 6 raised to 0, its value will be 1. Multiply by minus 2 raised to 0, again its value will be 1. 1 into 1, 1. Part 3, minus 1 raised to 0 multiplied 2 raised to 0, the whole raised to 0. Solving it step by step, the bracket will be solved first. Minus 1 raised to 0, its value will be 1. 2 raised to 0, its value will be 1. 1 into 1, the whole raised to 0. 1 multiplied by 1 will give you 1. Again 1 raised to 0, its value will be 1. Using your law, a raised to 0 is equals to 1. Part number 4, 5 raised to 0 plus minus 1 raised to 0 minus 2 raised to 0. Value of 5 raised to 0 is 1. Minus 1 raised to 0 is again 1. 2 raised to 0 is again 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1. Here you will have +1 and -1 will get cancelled up, or they will give you 0. So you will remaining will be 1, or 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Part 12. Question number 12 is write the following numbers in the standard form. I hope you remember the standard form. Standard forms are in which a large number will be represented in the powers of 10, whereas it will consist of a number which will lie between 1 and 10. So 5830000. It can be written as, I can convert it to a decimal number. When the decimal is not mentioned, it will be after the number. So here it will be after 0. We'll shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places, so that the decimal will come after 5. Your number will become 5.830000. Since I have shifted the decimal towards the left side, therefore I will multiply it with 1 with 6 zeros. 1 with 6 zeros can be represented in exponential form. Since there are 6 zeros, the power of 10 will be 6. So your answer or your standard form for part 1 is 5.83 into 10 to the power 6. Here the decimal is given, and in order to convert it into standard form, we need to shift this decimal after one number. जहां पर हमें 1 से लेकर 10 तक के 10 नहीं लेना है, हमें 10 पहले के नंबर्स लेना है. तो कम से कम हमें एक नंबर के बाद में हमारे डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करना है. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे 00002. 2 इज अ नंबर विच लाइज बिटवीन 1 and 10. तो हमें 2 के बाद में डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करना होगा. डेसिमल को अगर हम यहाँ से 2 के बाद में शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, तो हम कितनी प्लेसेस शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 प्लेसेस शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ डेसिमल इज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स द राइट साइड, देयरफॉर डिनोमिनेटर में 1 के साथ में उतने जीरोज आ जाएंगे. 5 प्लेसेस शिफ्ट किए हैं, इसलिए 1 के साथ में 5 जीरोज आ गए डिनोमिनेटर में. डिनोमिनेटर में क्यों आए हैं? क्योंकि हमने डेसिमल को राइट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट किया है. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट किया होता तो वो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में आता. वेल, सो अगेन दिस 1,000,000 or 1 lakh, when represented in exponential form, I will write it as 10 raised to 5. 5 जीरो है, इसलिए पावर में 5 आएगा. नाउ डिनोमिनेटर से हम किसी भी नंबर को जब ऊपर ले जाते हैं तो पावर की साइन चेंज हो जाती है. यहाँ पर पावर की साइन पॉजिटिव है, ऊपर जाके नेगेटिव हो जाएगी. दिस इज आवर लॉ नंबर 7. So your answer is 2.79 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5. Part 3 is 223 multiplied by 10 raised to 2. यहाँ पे 223 है, लेकिन according to our standard form, the number should be between 1 and 10. तो हमें decimal shift करना पड़ेगा. Decimal is after 3. I will shift it after the first 2. 2 places shift किया है. तो जब हम decimal shift कर रहे हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में आएगा. 1 के साथ में 2 प्लेसेस शिफ्ट किया है, इसलिए 2 जीरोज आ जाएंगे. नंबर हो जाएगा 2.23 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 as it is. Now 100 को अगर हम एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में लिखें तो 2 जीरोज हैं, इसलिए 10 के पावर में 2 आ जाएगा. I can apply a law here. When the bases are same, the powers will get added up. So 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Your answer will be 2.23 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. Try to solve part number 4. Question number 13. find the number for each of the following expanded form. एक्सपांड करना है, मतलब एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म दिया है, उसका हमें नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, so part number 1 is 7 into 10 raised to 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. Now here in the next step what the changes are, 0 into something will give you 0 and 10 raised to 0, any number raised to 0 will be equals to 1. इनके अलावा बाकी किसी भी नंबर में कोई चेंज नहीं है. नाउ 0 को हम ओमिट कर सकते हैं, 0 किसी भी नंबर में ऐड होगा, इट वोंट मेक एनी चेंज. सो 5 into 1 is written as 5. Opening up the exponential form of 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 3 and 10 raised to 1, I can write 10 raised to 4 can be written as 1 with 4 zeros or 10,000. 10 raised to 3, 1 with 3 zeros or 1,000. 10 raised to 1 as 10. Multiply कर दें. 7 into 10,000 will give you 70,000. 6 into 1,000 will give you 6,000. Here I already multiplied 4 into 10 as 40. So in the next step I added 40 plus 5 as 45. आप इनको ऐड करेंगे 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 45, that will give you 76,045. Part number 2, 5 into 10 raised to 5 plus 5 into 10 raised to 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to 2 plus 2 into 10 raised to 1. So in the next step, I have just replaced the value of 10 raised to 0 as 1. 2 into 1 is written as 2 and I have expanded 10 raised to 5 as 1 with 5 zeros, 10 raised to 3 as 1 with zeros, 10 raised to 2 as 1 with 2 zeros. Multiply करें 5 into 1 lakh, that will give you 5 lakh. 5 into 1000, 5,000. 3 into 100, 300 plus 2. On adding them column wise, you will get the answer as 50,5302 or 5,05,302. Part number 3, 2 into 10 raised to 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to 0. एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म को नंबर्स में लिखा एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में. तो 10 रेज टू 4 को हमने 10,000 लिखा, 1 with 4 zeros. 10 रेज टू 2 को 1 with 2 zeros and 10 रेज टू 0 as 1. 2 into 10,000 will be 20,000. 7 into 100 will be 700 plus 5 into 1, 5. On addition, you will get 20705 or 20,705. Part number 4 is 8 into 10 raised to 5 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to 1. On adding 10 raised to 5, it will be written as 1 with 5 zeros, raised to 2 as 1 with 2 zeros, and 10 raised to 1 as 10. On multiplication, 8 into 1 lakh will give you 8 lakh. 2 into 100 will give you 200. 3 into 2 will give you 30. On addition, you will have 8 lakh 230. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. This ends up with your exercise 14.2 as well as with your chapter 14 also.